So this is our mobile screen, students, and in your mobile you have to open your Google Chrome browser. As you can see the icon here. Okay, after opening your Google Chrome browser, what you have to do, you have to just click on the three dotted window in the right side, and you have to just click on the desktop side. This is only for the mobile, those who are using the mobile. And after that you have to click on the address bar. This is your address bar, and after that here you have to write the URL www.stnorbertcampuscare.in. Then after that you have to click on the go button. Wait for a few seconds, and after that this pop-up message will come, and after that what you have to do, here you have to click on the OK button. Then after that you have to click on the click here to proceed. As you can see the red one, the click here to proceed is now showing. So here you have to click on the click here to proceed. Then after that this window will open like this, and here it is asking your user ID and password, and here you have to put your user ID. Suppose that I am entering, and after that I am clicking on the next button, and here you have to put the password. Then click on the sign in button. After that this window will open like this, as you can see, and here you have to click on the dashboard three dotted window, and after that you have to click on the academy part here. Okay, as you can see. This is our academic option. Then after that you have to click on the online assessment, and the second option is given online assessment, and wait for the few seconds. Then after that as you can see the paper is now showing. Now start date and end date and is showing. Within this time you have to download the paper, and you have to finish your paper, and you have to upload the paper. Okay, as you can see the timing is now showing. So now after that what you have to do, you have to go to the details, and you have to click on the view option. As you can see the view. After clicking on the view option, this window will open like this. Okay, here the subject is showing, all the things are showing. Okay, the question paper attached is showing. Now in the bottom side, as you can see, the download paper option is now showing. The bottom side, here you have to click on this download paper option. Okay, now your paper is now downloaded, as you can see your mobile. And after that what you have to do, you have to write your paper on the copy and the paper. Okay, and you can minimize this app, or you can just log out this app also. Okay, so now I'm just minimizing this app. Now go to the camera option. There is a camera, and open and click the photo of the paper that you have, where you have written the answers. Suppose that this first page I have clicked, then after that this is the second page. Now two photos I have clicked, then after that go back, and as you can see, go back to your browser, and here is the option is showing choose file. As you can see the choose file option is now showing. Suppose this is now log out, you can log out with the time, and you can upload your paper. So now for the uploading the paper, you have to choose the file, and after that you have to go to the file option, and whatever the file that you have clicked, just you have to select here. Suppose that two file I have clicked, so two file I have just clicked here and select. Then after that you have to click on the select option. Now you can see the two files is now attached with my paper. Okay, as you can see, two files is now attached with my paper. Now after that, now next option is showing submit assignment. As you can see, the submit assignment is now showing. So after uploading your paper, whatever you have done in your paper, you have to click on the submit assignment. It will take some time, don't be panic. Then after few seconds, one message will come that your paper is now saved successfully. Okay, after submission of paper, you cannot do the same process. If you have clicked on the submit assignment, you cannot upload any other pages. Okay, so be sure when you are uploading your paper. As you can see here, now two files is now attached. As you can see now, but now there is no submission option is coming. Okay, so within time, if you want to add some more file, you can add it, but without after time you cannot add it. Okay, so after submission of your paper, you have to just go back and you don't need to do anything. Okay, just go back and log out with your ID.